Hi, you want to convert a PDF file into a Word document? This video will help you. It's easier than you think. All you need is Microsoft Word and your PDF file. Okay, so here I am on my desktop and I have a sample file I downloaded from the web. I'll go ahead and open this file. This file has things like photos. We have some text in here. So it's a bit complex PDF because it has graphics and it has text, and now we want to convert this into a Word file, that is a .docs file. I said it's easier than you think. So what I'm going to do is to open Microsoft Word, and this is the new Word start page. I will have my Word on this side. I will have my Microsoft Word on this side. I will then click on my PDF file on the desktop and simply drag it over into Word onto the home screen of Microsoft Word and then drop it there. And I get this dialog that appears that says Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. It might take a while and it might not look exactly like the original PDF. So MS Word is kind of telling me that I might be a little disappointed by what it does, but I have high expectations, so let's go ahead and try this out. I'll just click on OK. Now here you see the transformed version of the PDF. It looks pretty good to me. Let's go ahead and see what it did. Now comparing these two documents, that's the PDF file and the Word file, they look almost the same. Now we are having an editable Word document. Okay, so let's go ahead and make some edits in the Word file. I can click on the different elements. I will type in my name, that's Kobe, and my last name as Tech. I can click on any of the text and edit it. All the text in this document are now editable. That's all that it takes to convert a PDF file into a Word document. That's just drag the PDF file from its location into Microsoft Word. Okay, but what if you are already in Word? And another way to do this is to go to File, then select Open, then select Browse, and locate where you have stored the PDF file you want to convert into a Word document. And using that way, you can just kick off the conversion process. That's really all that it takes to convert a PDF file into a Word document. As long as you have your PDF file in Microsoft Word, you can go ahead and convert that PDF into a Word document file. And that's all that it takes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever a new video like this is posted in the future. I'll see you next time. Bye.